welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie. Happy 4th of July. I have my flag shirt on today. So I hope everyone is having a safe weekend and you're enjoying the fireworks. I did see some last night from my deck, from the balcony. I think it was the Westchesters and the Masons. I could see them a little bit, but the trees have grown up a little bit, so I couldn't see them as well today. And I'm trying to hold the camera steady. I realized that was part of the problem. Yesterday it was like making everyone car sick. Yeah, so it's just gonna be another juicing video, and I need to get on with it. I'm overthinking it today, and I'm like retaking it and refilming it with like the talking part. And I just want to say, you're probably wondering, how did I get into juicing? What's the deal with the juicing? For those of you who don't know, I'm a 13-year breast cancer survivor. So, you know, when something affects your health and you go through like a sickness health thing, you definitely look at different healing remedies. And this one always struck me as like, wow, maybe if I put like nutrients and vitamins and minerals into my body, it's creating an alkaline environment in your body rather than an acidic. It's also you're getting a high dose of nutrients all at once. But that being said, fiber is important. You're taking the fiber is being removed. So I'm just want to say that smoothies are just as important, and food, regular food, healthy food, you know. So that being said, let's get into it. This is another green juice, and yeah, I'm glad I got through that. So okay, here we go. So let me show you what we have today. It's basically the same. The only thing I added different was pear this time. We've got the 2 cucumbers, the carrots, the celery, the apple, and I do have 1 pear, and we do have the kale. So let's set this down. I have it kind of on the back. I just have it sitting on the pop socket, sitting on like a bowl. So here we go. I think you guys can see it. Okay, so there was something else I wanted to mention. I don't remember now. I don't know. Okay, let's just get into it. Forget. Oh, the headaches. I did look that up, and it was like there are nitrates and pesticides, you know, like, so that's why, and it's not a caffeine withdrawal. It's not like I stopped drinking. I still drink green tea. I still had a cup of green tea. So yeah, the nitrates or the pesticides, who knows? That's why, you want to buy organic, which you can't always buy organic. If you go in the organic ones like dying and wilted, then you have to buy the regular. I think the celery, I wish I had organic. Obviously with the cucumbers, you take the skin off. It's not as big of a deal, I don't think. Okay, so we're getting started. All right, we're gonna put it on low. Okay. Like I said, you want to make sure you have this locked. It goes down and then it locks up. I'm one of those people. I'm like, and that light's there. I'm like a double checker, so it's fine. Okay. You just want to double check everything. All right, let's get going. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna switch it to, well, the pears can be, the lows for like soft stuff, and then the highs for like, you know. So let's throw the pears in. Yeah, I like pears. I eat some of it before. I always eat some of the apple and the pear before it even makes it into the juice. And I do have a banana. That's like the first thing I eat in the morning. So I did have a banana. But, yeah, I've got to get to my laundry today. So I can't be fiddle-farting around with this all day. So, okay. So now we're going to put it on high and get the carrots, the kale, and the apple. And actually, you can just make one that's like just carrots or just celery. But I think a variety is kind of good. Okay, so let's get going on this. Actually, you can stir it. I'm gonna find that straw again. Or you can stir it with a spoon. Here, so you can see. Give it a stir. Give it a stir. Alright, let's pour it into the glasses, the jars. Here's the jars. Alright, get the lid back on. Alright. Like I said, I think I might buy lemon. I don't know. I definitely want to put something else. I think I've put pineapple in it before. Pineapple would be good. I don't think I'd like beets. You can put beets in. Beets. This made like 1 3/4. Yesterday I made a mess. I think I just splashed it everywhere. But you do want to get all of that. You don't want to just like, oh, you know, not. It's like a milkshake. You want to get all of it out. I just want to say I did make, I had a scrambled egg sandwich yesterday, about an hour later. And then I think I had like a veggie corn dog later. So yeah, I mean, you definitely have to eat. It's not, you don't just drink juice. So that's what we have. Just give it a try. The straw, where'd that go? It's in here. Okay, let's give it a shot. Should taste about the same. Yeah, it's good. Excuse me. I think you could put 2 apples in to sweeten it up. Like I said, I put the pear in. It kind of towel. Okay, so that was our juicing for today. I might save some of this one for tomorrow just to drink in the morning. Not bad at all. So hopefully you enjoyed that video, and we're up to about 10 minutes, so it did good. And yeah, That's all I have to say today. Okay, take care, take it easy. Talk to you later. Bye.